Hey guys, guess what? I filmed another makeup look for you. Shocking, right? I know. You already know we're gonna start with Smashbox Primer. I mean, what else would I use? Come on. I mean, I use other stuff, but... And then Shape Tape, gonna just smother that all over my face because I have hideous acne, but it's okay. I love myself for who I am, and so should you. So for this look, I'm trying to look real pale, so I'm going to take my lightest foundation, which is NYX's Total Control Drop Foundation, and I'm going to turn myself into a ghost, essentially. Now I'm a sad clown. Just kidding, I gotta blend that shit in all over my face. Fuck yeah. So at this point you can see that I'm way too pale, so I'm going back in with a slightly darker shade of foundation just to give myself a little bit of color because I don't want to look actually like a white piece of paper. Now I'm one of those really cute people who matches their lips to their foundation. Here I'm taking some setting powder to basically set my entire face because I'm going to be doing a lot of drawing on my face and I don't want anything to smudge. It's brow time. I'm just going to put these bitches in their place so that I can fill them in and make it look like I actually have eyebrows, so they're not all patchy and light brown. Okay, cool, thanks. Now I'm taking my Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay and just kind of smearing it all over my eyes, like no regrets. Throw that shade all over. Yes. Okay, but for real, I took the third lightest shade from the palette originally to do the crease and the corners of my eye, and now I'm taking the fourth lightest shade to really define the crease of my eye. Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the Shape Tape. So basically I'm taking the same color of eyeshadow as I was using from concealer, just packing it on there so I don't have like the gooey concealer feel on my eye, but I want to keep that light ass color for a dramatic cut crease. Now I'm blending the darker color from earlier into both corners of my eye so I can have that kind of smoky look. And I'm taking this shimmery cherry color and packing it into the center of my eye so we have some nice red shimmer right there. Yes. So I'm taking this dark maroon color to line my bottom eyelid as well as running it back over my crease line to get it more dramatic and more of a orangey red color rather than just brown. Yet again, we're going to be using a fuck ton of NYX's Epic Ink liner for this look. Right now, I'm just lining my eyeball, as always. And I'm sorry I still haven't figured out how to angle my camera. I suck, and my setup kind of blows, so fucking deal with it. Sorry, I guess. Now just brushing off that setting powder from earlier so I can put on some contour. Yes. And I'm really going for that dramatic look, so I'm taking one of my darker shades just to give myself some very pointed features. So here I'm starting with the spider web in the corner of my eye really working off that wing that I drew for my normal eyeliner and just kind of sprouting some lines out from the corner of my eye beside it, and then connecting them with curved lines like you'd see in any other, typical spider web, I guess. And then you're just going to keep layering them on down until you reach the ends of your spider web. You could literally make this all the way out across your face, but I just want a little one because I'm doing so much other shit. And here's a dangly strand that the spider's going to be hanging off of, just kind of made a little bit of a texturized curved line. And then the spider itself basically drew a triangle pointed down and 8 legs, 4 off of either side. Not super happy with this spider. He's kind of lumpy looking, but it had to do because I was not about to erase him, and it's really hard to draw on the side of your face. Now for the spider tears. So this part, the filming really sucked, and I'm sorry, but I apparently didn't get a good angle. Basically just doing the same thing, kind of like round or triangular little bodies with 8 legs coming off of them. For these, the legs, you want to make them look more like they're gripping onto your face, so in either direction, like 2, 2, and 2. I don't know how to fucking explain it. Just look at them and then you can figure it out. You're welcome. Here we are starting on the lips. I'm using Kat Von D's Studded Kiss lipstick in Piaf, named after one of her cats. So fucking cute. It's a very stony brown color is the best way to explain it, but kind of purpley, brown, gray. I don't fucking know. You can see. Look with your damn eyes. And then I'm going to put Morphe's Virgin Liquid Lipstick over the top of it just to give it some dimension. Taking another Kat Von D shade, I think it's, I don't fucking know how to say it, but it's like nayeon. It's black and sparkly. I'm going to put it in the center of the mouth for more dimension. I told you the eyeliner would be coming back, and now it's kind of a lip liner in a weird way, but we're using it to create the spider legs crawling out of my mouth. Really just want to make 8 legs looking like it's a spider crawling out of your mouth. So point 2 kind of upward and curved on one side, and then the other side, and then the bottom ones I kind of went wild with. Made it look like they were all demented, and do whatever the fuck you want. Just, I don't know. Okay, cool. Wouldn't be complete without fake lashes. I don't remember which ones these were, but sorry. Back to the eyeshadow, taking this dark purpley color to create shade along all of the eyeliner I've just drawn all over my face, so that the spiders look more realistic, like they have shadow behind them. Ideally, you would use drawing techniques to create shade on one side, but if you don't really care, then you don't really care. So just make it look like there's a shadow, behind your spiders. Now taking my lightest shade of highlighter, Becca Moonstone, to highlight this biatch. And just going over the fake lashes with some mascara so that my natural lashes blend. I had to throw in my hair for this, but I cut most of that filming out. I mean, you get the gist. If you want a tutorial on how I put my extensions in, then go watch my tutorial. Thanks. And there you have it. This look is done. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like how this turned out. I'm obsessed. I love it. I'll see you next time. Bye.